Chellakuttis, let's see the national symbols. Our national flower, lotus. Our national animal, Bengal tiger. Our national bird, peacock. Our national fruit, mango. Our national heritage animal, elephant. Our national tree, banyan tree. Our national vegetable, pumpkin. Our national reptiles, king cobra. Our national emblem, state emblem of India, lion capital of Asoka. Our national river, Ganga. Our national game, hockey. Our national mother, Bharata Mata. Our national currency, Indian rupees, INR. Our national aquatic animal, South Asian river, dolphin. Our national anthem, Janagana Mana. Our national father, Mahatma Gandhi. Our national dance, Bharatanatyam. Our national song, Vande Mataram. Our national flag, three-color or Tiranga. Our national airline, Air India. Our national calendar, Saga. Our national food, Khichdi. Our national motto, Satyamava Jayate. Our national passport, India passport. Our national library, Kolkata. Our national museum, New Delhi. Our national day, Republic Day, 26th January every year. Independence Day, 15th August every year. Thank you for watching my channel Chellakuttis. Video பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Bye.